Hello everyone, welcome back. This video lecture for class 8, subject science, chapter number 3, and that is fiber to fabric. So dear students, we have already discussed about this chapter. Today we are going through again due to this chapter is going to ask in the exams which will be held in the month of October. So without wasting time, let's have a quick recap of the main points of this chapter. Later on we will discuss about the different questions like subjective and objective. So first of all, as here it is written that wool and silk are fiber which are obtained from animals. So first of all we have learned that there are two types of fibers, isn't it? First one is natural and another one is man-made, or we can say synthetic. So that means synthetic and man-made both are the same things. So we can say wool and silk both are known as natural fiber. Why these are known as natural fiber? Because we are getting these fibers only from animals, and animals are, we already know, that is obvious, man-made, isn't it? So these both are animal products we are getting from animals, and those are both are called natural fibers. Second topic that is written here, the wool yielding animal have a thick coat of hair. अब हमें पता है wool we are getting from sheep, angora goat, yak and llama, camel, alpaca. These are the different animals which are mentioned here as you are able to see in this image. So these are the animals by which we are obtaining wool, but they have, the reason is we are getting wool, that is they have a thick coat of hair. That means उनकी hair, जो उनकी skin है, skin के surface पे काफ़ी सारा thick coating होता है hair का, right? Hair trap a lot of air. Air is a poor conductor of heat, है ना? हमें पता है air तो conductor, air is a poor conductor of heat. So due to this reason, their hair can easily trap the air a lot of. So hair keeps these animals warm. Obvious, इस air का उनकी body पे effect ही नहीं पड़ रहा, because they are having a thick coat of hair, and due to this ability, due to this good thing, their body is देयर बॉडी इज़ हीट को एब्जॉर्ब नहीं कर पाती, जिसके कारण उनकी बॉडी वार्म रहती है. सो वूल इज़ ड्राइव्ड फ्रॉम दीज हेयरी फाइबर्स, और इसी फाइबर्स को कटिंग करके बाय डिफरेंट प्रोसेसेस, बाय डिफरेंट वे, दीज एनिमल्स वी आर ऑब्टेनिंग वूल फ्रॉम दीज टाइप ऑफ एनिमल्स. So third point that is written, the skin of sheep has two type of hair. Okay, the skin of sheep have two type of hair. First one, as it is mentioned here, the coarse beard hair, and the another one, the fine soft under hair close to the skull. That means पहले तो जो ऊपर वाला layer जो generally हम अपनी eyes से देख पाते हैं, that is beard hair, है ना? That is the coating of beard hair, but the another layer which is downside of the coating beard hair, that is fine soft hair, and that is very much close to the skin. So the fine soft hair fibers are used for making wool. Okay, जो ऊपर का layer है जो generally हम देख पा रहे हैं, that is not used to make the wool, but the another one layer which is downside of this beard hair, downside of the beard hair, that is named as fine soft under skin close to the skin. So this is the layer which is used, by which we can get wool. To obtain breed of sheep that possesses only fine under hair, their parents are carefully chosen. The process of selecting parents for obtaining special characters such as fine soft under hair in sheep is termed as selective breeding. This topic I want to explain in detail, because we already discussed, though we are going to understand the topic, because this topic generally asked in this exams. So that is, what is the selective breeding? So we can say the process of breeding of selective parents. That means इसमें sheep की कुछ special breed को select किया जाता है, and उनको अच्छे से shearing means उनकी अच्छे से टेक केयर की जाती है, एंड आफ्टर दैट द कैरेक्टर्स comes in the offspring we already know, that mean by baby, that means sheep baby or goat baby, that means offspring. See, generally in humans the baby which will born, that is no that term is named as infant, isn't it? But about in animals की baby को हम technical language में offspring कहते हैं. So such a soft underhair in sheep is termed as selective breeding. Okay, moving further, the next topic which is mentioned here, that is wool commonly available in the market in the sheep is sheep wool. जो generally हमें market से wool available होता है, that we are obtaining from the sheep, but the several breeds of sheep are found in different parts of our country. हमारी country के different parts में sheeps की भी different breeds होती है, and उनकी breeds की selecting करके, उनका selective breeding करके उसमें से जो offspring create होता है ना, उसमें से कुछ अच्छी quality का wool हमें मिल पाता है. And that wool is commonly not we are getting from the market, isn't it? That wool is very expensive. So except the fleece of sheep, there are other sources of wool. Okay, except sheep. What is the mean? What do you mean by the fleece? That is already talked about, though we are going to talk about it again. What is the fleece of that is named as the layer of the skin. The hair of sheep or yak are called fleece. जो sheep की या yak की ऊपर जो top वाली skin का layer होता है, that is named as fleece. So that fleece is used for obtaining wool. The another topic of this chapter, that is animal that provide wool, are generally yak, Angora goat. So yak wool is commonly in Tibet and Ladakh. Okay, generally we are getting such kind of wool from yaks that are Tibet and Ladakh. Another one that is mentioned here, Angora goat. These goats are found in hilly regions. Okay, these goats are commonly, we are not getting from here and there in our country. Generally such type of breed is found in hilly regions such as Jammu Kashmir. They provide Angora wool. Okay, Angora goats are providing only Angora wool. This is the type of a wool which is very much expensive. Another topic of this chapter, that is Kashmiri goat. Okay, these are the animals by which we are getting wool. Generally we can say we are getting wool from the sheep. Generally we have heard about it, Baba, black sheep, have you any wool, है ना. So इस पोएम से हमें पता चल रहा है कि we are getting the wool from sheep, but not only sheep, except sheep there are so many other breeds, so many other animals by which we are getting wool, that are yak, Angora goat, and third one is Kashmiri goat. So these, obvious by the name we can understand such type of goat we are getting only in Kashmir side, isn't it? So these type of goat, under the fur of Kashmiri goat is very soft and is woven into fine shawls known as Pashmina shawls. Very important. What is the Pashmina shawls? So this type of shawls we are getting, sorry, Pashmina will be there, huh? La is not there. Pashmina shawls we are getting from the Kashmiri goats, because it is obtained by the fur of this goat, which is after cutting down of the fur, it is woven into fine shawls. Another one animal that is named as camels. The hair of camel can be woven into lightweight durable fabric. Camel के hair में से जो wool बनाया जाता है, that is very much light in weight and it is very durable fabric. Another one is animal by which we are getting wool, that is alpaca. Alpaca, they are found in Andes mountains of South America. So we can say alpaca is the animal which is generally not found in our country. Such type of animals we can get in South America side, and by these animals they are domesticated by the native of Peru to get their soft wool. See, this is the Peru is one another breed by species, we can say caste, we can say, by which alpaca named animal is domesticated by the such type of for getting such type of soft wool. The woolly hair varies in color from white to red to dark brown to black also. Another one is that is llama. They are found in mountain of South America. Again, such type of animals we are getting generally in South America. The male is used as a beast of burden. Okay, what is the mean by beast of burden? The animal which are used to carry heavy loads, which are used to carry load. So इनकी जो मेल कैटेगरी की दैट मीन्स लामा जो मेल कैटेगरी का होगा, इट इज़ यूज्ड फॉर द carrying load and goods, but the female category is one llama that is used for highly valued for her milk, meat, hide and wool. उनकी wool के लिए, meat के लिए and milk के लिए they are very much popular and highly valued. That means they are also again expensive. The wool which we are getting from llama type of species, that is very much expensive. Another one that is important question, generally it is asked that the process of fiber into wool, okay, which are the steps involved into processing फाइबर इंटू वुल. दैट मीन्स फाइबर, अब सपोज हमें एनिमल की स्किन जो लेयर है उसका फ्लीस को यूज़ करके हम वुल बना रहे हैं, बट दैट टाइप ऑफ वुल वी कैन डायरेक्टली यूज़, इजंट इट? सो फर्स्ट उसके डिफरेंट स्टेप्स के थ्रू उनको क्लीन किया जाता है, उनको टेक केयर किया जाता है, उनका शेयरिंग किया जाता है, देन उनका सेपरेशन किया जाता है, एंड लास्टली जब डिफरेंट स्टेज को पार करने के बाद देन वी गेट ओनली such type of wool which we are getting from market. So which are the steps involved in processing fiber into wool? That are, first of all, as it is mentioned here, I think it is blur, but first step 1 is written, as you are able to see. The fleece of sheep is removed by machines. Previously this work was done by the hands only, but nowadays machines are very much helpful to save our time and work क्लियरली, है ना. अब कोई भी काम को क्लीनली करने के लिए मशीन्स का यूज़ बहुत अच्छे से इस वक्त में हो पाता है. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल द फ्लीस ऑफ द शीप इज़ रिमूव्ड बाय मशीन्स. दिस प्रोसेस इज कॉल्ड shearing. Okay, this process is called shearing. So if the question is asked in the exam, what is shearing? See, generally this question come in the detail also, and this is different stages of steps is given, like here they are also coming. They also used to ask in the exam, like what is the sorting, what is the scouring, what is the shearing, है ना, what is fleecing. So these many steps are can be asked in शॉर्ट टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन आंसर, लाइक 1 मार्क क्वेश्चन आंसर्स के लिए भी पूछा जा सकता है. सो व्हाट इज शेयरिंग? वी कैन से द फ्लीस ऑफ शीप इज रिमूव्ड बाय मशीन्स. दिस प्रोसेस इज नोन एज शेयरिंग. ओके, सेकेंड स्टेप. अब जो शेयरिंग तो हो गई है ना, आपने स्किन की एनिमल की जो वुल गेटिंग करने के लिए जो उसकी शीप की फ्लीस को रिमूव किया, दैट इज़ नेम्ड एज शेयरिंग. अब शेयरिंग तो हो गई. अब शेयरिंग की वो डायरेक्ट जो स्किन है उसको तो हम डायरेक्टली वुल में कन्वर्ट नहीं कर सकते, isn't it? So what we have to do, the sheared hair is thoroughly washed in tanks. Obvious, उनकी स्किन पे इतने सारे जर्म्स हो सकते हैं और इतना सारा डस्ट पार्टिकल्स और भी कुछ उस पर स्किन पे स्टिच हो सकता है. तो उनको सेपरेट करने के लिए what we have to do, we have to thoroughly washed into the tanks to remove grease, dust and dirt. This process is known as scouring. Okay, this process is known as scouring. So what is the scouring? We can say the process by which sheared hair is washed in tanks to remove grease, dust and dirt. This process is known as scouring. After scouring, what is done by these farmers? They doing separating. To separate the स्किन, डिफरेंट टेक्सचर को. सी सारे एनिमल, सारी जो भी गोट्स है, जस्ट वी टॉक्ड अबाउट कश्मीरी गोट, कैमल्स, अल्पाका, देन लामा, Angora goat, these all are having different breeds, these all are having different type of wool from their skin. सारी animals की skin से same type का wool हमें नहीं मिलता, that we already discuss about it. So उनको separate किया जाता है. अब सारा आपने clean, हमने टैंक्स में, बड़े से टैंक्स में उनको वॉश करके क्लीन कर लिया, ठीक है, बॉयल वाटर में आपने डाल के अच्छे से उसको क्लीन कर लिया, बट अब उसमें से सेपरेट किया जाता है. सारे अलग अलग ब्रीड की जो अलग अलग हेयर है, अलग अलग फ्लीस है, उनको अलग अलग सेपरेट किया जाता है. सो दिस प्रोसेस इज नोन एज सॉर्टिंग. ओके, दिस प्रोसेस इज नोन एज sorting. Here you are able to see in this tank these two persons are cleaning the fleece skin, isn't it? So this process is known as scouring and that is sorting clean hairy skin. अब जो टैंक्स में वॉश्ड हो गई, क्लीन हो गई, that will be later on sent to the factories where hair of different texture sorted, जहाँ पे different hair के जो texture है उनको separate किया जाता है, and this process is known as sorting. Okay. Fourth step, that is small fluffy fibers called burrs. Okay, what are these small fluffy hair is called? That is called burr. This also question is asked in the exams. So what is the burrs? BURRS. That means small fluffy fibers. जो आपने स्किन को सेपरेट किया गया मशीन्स के थ्रू, उसमें सारे टाइप की हेयर हैं, वो लॉन्ग लेंथ ही नहीं होते हैं. देयर आर सम स्मॉल ऑल्सो फ्लफ़ी भी होते हैं. सो सच टाइप ऑफ हेयर इज सेपरेटेड बाय द प्रोसेस ऑफ sorting and this is called burrs. Okay, this is called burrs are picked out from the hair. उन burrs को सेपरेट किया जाता है हेयर से. जो वंस सॉर्टिंग वंस हो गया, सेपरेट हो गया, उसमें भी स्मॉल फ्लफी फाइबर होता है जिसको सेपरेट किया जाता है, एंड दैट इज नोन एज burrs. BURRS. Fifth step, that is the natural fleece of sheep and goat is black, white and brown. Generally sheep के कलर तो हमें पता है, black, white and brown is seen. But हमें जो मार्केट से वुल मिल रहा है वो हमें पता है सारे ऑलमोस्ट अभी तो सारे शेड्स आने लगे हैं, है ना. सो उस फाइबर को डाई किया जाता है. क्या किया जाता है? दिस. सो द फाइबर्स आर डाइड इन वेरियस कलर्स. उनको डाई किया जाता है सो दैट वी कैन गेट डिफरेंट कलर्स, different shades, different colors we can get by the dyed one fibers. Okay, so this is one process extra. क्योंकि हमें पता है कि गोट तो ब्लैक, वाइट और ब्राउन कलर की है, तो हमें सिर्फ मार्केट में 3 कलर नहीं दिखते हैं वुल में, isn't it? We generally used to get lots of type of colors, even so many shades are we are getting in single color. So वो कैसे आते हैं? उसको डाई करके उनको वेरियस कलर में चेंज किया जाता है. After then finally the which step is will start? The fibers are straightened and combed and rolled into yarn. उनको straight किया जाता है, then उनको combing किया जाता है, and finally it will be turned into rolls. That means the roll into yarn. The shorter fibers are spun and woven into woolen cloth. जो short fiber होते हैं उनको woven की जाता है woolen cloth में. But what about the longer fibers? Longer fibers are made into wool. For sweater में जो हमें wool use होता है, that is made by these long fibers. But what about shorter fibers? Shorter fiber को spun and woven करके उनको woolen clothes में convert किया जाता है, isn't it? So these many steps are involved in processing of fiber into wool. Fine. So this question generally can be asked as a long question answer and can be asked in different short defined, like shearing, what is scouring, what is sorting, what are the burrs, and how we are getting wool in different colors, and finally which step is there by which the this dyed one fibers can be get into yarn or into wool. So till here we have understood what is the wool. Another one topic, that is silk. So silk fiber is obtained generally we know from the cocoons. We are getting from the silk worm, isn't it? In junior classes we have talked about the silk we are getting from silkworm. Now how could we get silk from the silkworm, that we will discuss in another video lecture. So hope so you all have understood today's topic. We will meet in another video lecture. Till that, take care. Goodbye.